Hello everyone, my name is Lavanya. I am working as UI/UX design trainer at Amaze Institute, Bangalore. Today we will be knowing basic introduction about Figma. Figma is a UI/UX design tool which will be used for designing mobile applications, websites, dashboards. And main advantage of Figma is we can use in browser as well, and it allows real-time collaborations. Let's know the interface of Figma. We will have a left panel, and in center we will have the workspace, and we can also call it as canvas where we'll be designing, and in right side we'll have the properties about all the layers we're going to place on the canvas, and in bottom we will be having the toolbox where we will use the tools to design. So let's talk about the left panel first. At top of the left panel we will find a file name, and bottom of that we will be having pages. So right now I have created one page, default page 1 will be created. You can name the page, and if you want you can create n number of pages and you can name it, and if you wanted to move the pages up and down you can also do that. And next let's talk about the toolbar which is in bottom. First one will be the move tool. Shortcut key will be V. For example, you just place some object. If you wanted to move that, you just click on V and you can move that. And next tool is frame. You just draw a random frame and then you will be finding many options here. Default sizes. If you wanted to design for mobile application, you can pick any sizes according to your requirement. Basically, we will be going for 14 and 15 Pro for mobile application design. If you wanted to design any website, you can go for the desktop size. So if you wanted to duplicate any frame or any object, you just select this object, hold Alt and drag it, and then you can change the sizes according to your requirement. So this is how frame works. And one more main thing is, frame is like a container. You can place all the things inside the frame. Right now I'm going to place one random text inside the frame, and I will just increase the size for visibility. So this is inside the frame. It holds all the objects inside it. This is how it works. It is like a container. Next tool will be shapes. You will have a lot of shapes here. First one will be rectangle. For that you can also click on R. For line you can click L. You just hold shift and just drag it. How much length you want, you can drag it. And you can also use the properties. If you have any perfect sizes, you have already idea about that, you can make changes accordingly. Next will be the arrow. Here in the properties, you can change it according to the requirement. Like if you wanted any round shape or square shape, you can change it. We will talk very briefly about the tools. Let's have the basic understanding now. Next will be the ellipse. If you wanted to draw any perfect circle, you have to hold shift. And next one, polygon, star. So this will be the shapes. And next one will be the pen tool. For pen, shortcut will be P. You just have to make points like this. First you click on the starting point, then you can go on. You can make shapes. This will be used if you wanted to make any illustrations in the design you are making, you can use that. To complete and come out of this tool, you have to just end that where you have started. This is how pen tool works. And one more thing is, if you find lost, like if your design is not visible, it went somewhere, you just have to click on shift +1. It will be fitting in the interface. So you don't need to panic, just click shift +1. You will find the interface with all the objects you have already placed. And next will be the text tool. You just have to click on text tool and just start typing something. After that you will find all the properties. You can change the fonts, and you can also change what weight you want, what sizes you want, spacing, height, everything will be there in the properties. In typography, you can change it. And this is comment if you are working in a collaborative environment, if you are working in a team, like other teammate would have designed this design. If you wanted to comment on it, you can just give a comment like change this frame, something like this. So the other person will understand like you have given some comment on this frame, they wanted to work on it. This is how the basic introduction of Figma will be. We will be learning more about Figma in the upcoming videos. If you wanted to start learning, building your career in UI UX designing, you can join Amaze Institute. For more details, you can call to the number which is below. Thank you.